In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Figma. Whether you're a designer looking to bring your creative assets into your workspace or simply trying to organize your design projects, uploading files to Figma is an essential skill you'll want in your toolkit. Let's get started by opening your web browser of choice. Now, in the search bar, simply type Figma and hit Enter. Once the page loads, you need to log into your Figma account. It's important to keep your login credentials handy to save time. If you haven't already created an account, head over to the Sign Up page and create one. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. From here, you're going to navigate to your file browser. This is typically located within the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you can explore your existing projects or create a new one if that's what you prefer. Now, let's focus on getting those files into Figma. Look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll notice an Import button. This is the key to bringing your files into the digital realm within Figma. Clicking on that button will prompt a file selection window to appear, showing the contents of your computer. From here, take your time to browse and select the files you wish to import. These could range from images to vector graphics or even entire design files. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click Open, which will commence the uploading process. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, Figma also supports the convenient drag and drop feature. Simply locate the files on your computer that you intend to upload. Click and hold these files with your mouse, drag them over to the Figma file browser, and drop them in. It's all about what feels natural to you, but remember that both methods achieve the same result. No matter which route you take, you'll know the upload is successful when the files pop up in your drafts or the project you've selected. And just like that, your files are ready, waiting at your fingertips to be opened, edited, or transformed as needed. Remember, organizing your files in Figma is part of a productive workflow, so feel free to arrange them in a way that makes sense for your project needs. If this is your first time uploading files, take a moment to explore how they're displayed and experiment with Figma's features to see the extent of what you can create. With these steps, you've uploaded files to Figma, unleashing the potential of your designs. Be sure to save your changes as you go to avoid any loss of work. I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to seeing the amazing things you'll create with your newly uploaded resources in Figma. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!